Hi everyone, come let me walk you through how to prepare this rich, creamy and absolutely delicious coconut pasta you certainly love if you try it. Start by prepping your veggies. Cut them into shapes and sizes that pleases your eyes and your taste buds. That's right, because cooking is about flavor but presentation matters too. For this coconut pasta, the veggies we are using are carrots, bell peppers. I made use of the three colors, red, green and yellow. You can use any one you prefer if you don't want to use all. Prepping your veggies ahead makes cooking faster and your overall cooking time shorter. I use spring onions and white onions for this coconut pasta. My love for white onions, Don't ask me why, because I just love it for no reason. If you prefer the red onions, go ahead and use it. Green beans, cooked prawns and sausage were also part of the ingredients I used for this pasta. I also used blended bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, ginger and garlic for this recipe. Now let the cooking begin. To a boiling pot of water, I added my pasta, stir it, cover it and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. I added a little oil to this pasta to prevent it from being sticky. After 5 minutes, I stir and then I drain the water out. The aim is not to cook the pasta to be soft because you still need to cook it with coconut milk. Heat your pan on fire. Once heated enough, add some oil to it. You can use any oil of your choice, but if you have coconut oil, better. To your heated oil, add some salt, onion and fry it till it's soft and fragrant. Go in with your boiled prawns and sausage. Stir it, cover it and allow it to stay on fire for some minutes. When that is done, add your spices. I used all-purpose seasoning, curry, thyme, and then I went in with my blended pepper mix. Add your seasoning cube and stir very well to combine properly. I use a little sardine in this pasta, though it's optional. You can use any fish of your choice. Now give a quick test to see if all the ingredients are perfectly balanced. If not, adjust it to your preference. We are about 70% in, so throw in your peas and corn. Get them nice and tender before the coconut milk goes in. Trust me, you don't want them half cooked. If you've watched up to this point, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe for more recipes. Now stir it, test it and go in with your pasta. Give it a good stir and let the pasta soak up all the creamy coconut goodness. After stirring, cover the pan and allow it to heat gently for some minutes. Do this on low heat and it will help everything to blend together beautifully. Almost there! Time to garnish and make it look even better. I like to add the carrots, bell peppers, spinach and spring onions towards the end so they keep their colors and freshness. Give it a good and a final stir to incorporate all the veggies nicely. After about a minute, go ahead and bring it down. And there you have it, a tropical twist on the pasta classic. Creamy, spicy, rich, delicious and so simple. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. It's just so perfect for all weather and occasion. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.